If you want a firearm to last decades or even a lifetime, maintenance is not optional. It's essential. Whether your gun is used for sport, history, or collection, proper care keeps it reliable, accurate, and safe. First rule, always treat every gun as loaded. Before any maintenance, make sure it's unloaded and pointed in a safe direction. Safety always comes first. The most important habit is regular cleaning. After shooting, residue from powder, carbon, and moisture builds up inside the firearm. Over time, this causes corrosion and wear. A basic cleaning after use prevents rust and keeps internal parts working smoothly. Even if you don't shoot often, inspect and clean your firearm periodically, especially in humid climates. Next is proper lubrication. Metal-on-metal contact creates friction, and friction causes damage. A light coat of quality gun oil on moving parts protects against wear and rust. But remember, more oil is not better. Over-lubrication attracts dust and debris, which can cause malfunctions. Storage matters more than most people realize. Firearms should be stored in a cool, dry place. Moisture is the biggest enemy of long-term durability. Use silica gel or a dehumidifier in safes to control humidity. Avoid storing guns in leather cases for long periods, as leather can trap moisture and cause corrosion. Another key point is inspection. Regularly check screws, springs, and visible components for signs of wear, cracks, or rust. Catching small issues early prevents serious damage later. Also, use the correct ammunition recommended for your firearm. Incorrect or poor quality ammo increases stress on internal parts and shortens the life of the gun. Finally, handle your firearm with respect. Avoid unnecessary drops, impacts, or rough handling. A well-maintained gun reflects a responsible owner. In short, clean it, oil it correctly, store it properly, inspect it often, and respect it. Do this consistently, and your firearm won't just last, it'll stay dependable for generations. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share for more firearm education content.